Hello, this is a quick little tutorial to help you placing your book order. So if you log into your account for Blackboard and select the class that you want to do the book for, click on Follett Discover down there on the left-hand side. Mine will automatically show what's there already because I've already selected a book. But give me just a second there, select faculty, and then we're going to select Spring 2020. And you'll see that my classes are already all in there, but you would see your classes that you are teaching for Spring 2020, and then you would discover for the class. And then you can put your ISBN number that I sent you in there and click refine, and you should be able to find it. If you can't find it that way, then you can also enter it up here, and then you should be able to adopt it for your particular class. So you'll have to do that for each of the classes that you are teaching this semester.